Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage cottage style from house decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage cottage meets farmhouse decoration combines the warmth of country living with the romantic charm of vintage treasures. It is cozy, nostalgic, and full of personality, perfect for creating a homely, lived-in atmosphere that feels both elegant and comfortable. Vintage Cottage farmhouse decor mixes time and simplicity and country comfort. The look is soft, inviting, and layered with antiques, handmade touches, and rustic materials. It celebrates imperfection, like chipped paint, faded fabrics, and aged wood, all add character. Color palette: use soft, muted, and natural-inspired colors to create a gentle, relaxing feel. Popular colors: use cream, ivory, and pink whites. Soft shades: green or faded mint. Use dusty rose or blush pink. Peely blue or sky blue. Use warm beige, teal, or grays. These colors reflect countryside calm and vintage softness. Furniture style: look for vivid or loved pieces that tell a story. Ideas: display wooden tables and chairs. Use whitewashed cabinets or armoires. Use vintage iron or brass bed frames. Use farmhouse style wooden benches, wicker or rattan chairs for cozy corners. Mix and match. Not everything has to match perfectly. The charm lies in its collected look. Signature spaces: living room: use cozy sofas with floral cushions, rustic coffee tables, open shelves with old books. Kitchen: use farmhouse sink, open wooden shelves, vintage dishware, hanging copper pans. Bedroom: use iron bed frame, floral quilt, lace curtains, and vintage vanity. Pots: use wicker chairs, potted flowers, and a soft blanket for that countryside morning tea. Here is a deeper, more detailed explanation of vintage cottage style from house decoration, including its history, emotional tone, materials, and styling secrets that make it truly enhancing. The essence of vintage country farmhouse style. This design style is inspired by the charm of old English countryside cottages, cozy homes filled with handcrafted furniture, heirloom pieces, and a natural, unpretentious beauty. It combines the rustic simplicity of farmhouse life with the sentimental warmth of vintage aesthetics. The result feels like stepping into a timeless, story-filled home where every page has a past. It is about comfort, nostalgia, and simplicity. The emotional atmosphere. Vintage cottage farmhouse interiors are designed to evoke emotion and memory. You will feel warmth, peace, and familiarity, like a cozy visit to your grandmother's house in the countryside. It's a place where time slows down. Everything from the scent of dried lavender to the crackle of an old wooden floor adds to this feeling. Materials and finishes. This style celebrates natural, time-worn materials that show their age gracefully. Typical materials include weathered wood, like pine, oak, or reclaimed barn wood. Iron and oat material, used for bed frames, candelabras, and curtain jars. Ceramics and enamelware, for vases, dishes, or jugs. Use stone or brick accents in kitchens or fireplaces. Use cotton, linen, lace, and wool for soft furnishings. The key is to use organic textures that bring tactile warmth, nothing too shiny or modern. Signature patterns and motifs. Vintage Cottage farmhouse decor often features floral and nature-inspired motifs. Thousing life in the countryside. Common patterns include small floral prints, gingham or plaid, tall joy, delicate scenic prints, ticking stripes, embroidered or crochet details. These add visual softness and an air of romantic nostalgia. Vintage touches and collectibles. This style trips on unique, meaningful items, pieces that look as if they have been passed down for generations. Try adding old clocks, mirrors, or oil lamps. Use vintage trunk or suitcases as tables. Use classic books stacked decoratively, iron keys, or antique frames hung on walls. Use other baskets, pottery, or enamel kitchenware, each piece to tell a story. That is what gives the room soul. The farmhouse influence. The farmhouse side brings practical comfort and rural simplicity. Think of wide wooden dining table, open shelving, apron sinks, and big cozy armchairs. Spaces are made for living, not for display. Nothing should feel too perfect. Slight char and ease marks a beautiful sign of life. Color and light harmony. Light plays a big role in creating a gentle atmosphere. Natural sunlight and soft tones help make rooms feel airy and peaceful. Use shade curtains to let light filter in and reflect off light-colored furniture. Use candles, lamps, and candelights with warm bulbs keep the glow cozy after sunset. Fragrance and ambience. For a truly immersive vintage cottage farmhouse mood, use scented candles. Use vanilla, lavender, or linen. Display fresh cut or dried flowers. The subtle details make the space emotionally warm and comforting. The heart of the home. Each area of the home tells its own rustic story. Kitchen, a farmhouse sink, open shelves, ceramic jars, and copper utensils. Living room. Mix of floral cushions, cozy throws, old wooden tables, and framed botanical prints. Bedroom. Use lace curtains, old iron bed, quilted covers, and a small reading lamp. Bedroom. Use white beadwood walls, clawfoot top, and oven baskets. The secret ingredient imperfection. Unlike modern styles, vintage cottage farmhouse decor embrace imperfection. A chipped, paint-edged, faded fabric, or uneven earth tone adds charm. It is a celebration of authenticity and the beauty of As, just like the countryside itself. What makes vintage cottage farmhouse style unique? This style is not just about furniture or color. It is a lifestyle aesthetic. It reflects simplicity, warmth, and the poetry of everyday rural life, blending the humble spirit of the farmhouse with the romantic elegance of vintage charm. Every corner whispers nostalgia, like a sound of cracking wooden floors, the scent of wildflowers, and the soft light falling through lace curtains. It is not about perfection, it is about authentic comfort. The heart and emotion of the style at its core, this decor tells a story of home, heritage, and harmony with nature. It invites you to slow down, sip tea by a window, and enjoy small pleasures, a handwritten letter, a candle's glow, or the texture of a crocheted blanket. The feeling you want is gentle, romantic, and lived in, as if generations have loved that space before you. The collected over time look, unlike modern design, where everything looks new and uniform. The vintage cottage farmhouse approach trips on layering eras and histories. Mix and match, that is the beauty of it. How to achieve it? Combine a rustic farmhouse table with elegant vintage china. Pair an antique mirror with a distressed wooden dresser. Use mismatched chairs in the dining area. Stack old books and photo frames together for a nostalgic corner. Nothing is to match perfectly. The goal is to create harmony from variety. Details that tell a story. Vintage Cottage farmhouse decor drifts on small, meaningful details. A hand-painted teacup from an antique market, framed botanical prints or faded portraits. Use old clocks, sewing machine, or typewriters. Displays as decor. Use crocheted dollies, lace runners, and embroidered linens on tables. Use glass jars filled with jade flowers or lavender sprigs. Every item should have a sense of belonging, not because it is trendy, but because it feels cherished. Nature's presence indoors. The countryside spirit blooms indoors through natural touches. Ideas: place wildflowers in glass milk bottles or messengers. Hang charred herbs or lavender bounces in the kitchen. Use baskets for storing oats, linens, or vegetables. Display potted herbs on the sunny windowsills. Include natural scents like rosemary, rose, eucalyptus, or vanilla. These organic touches connect the home with the rhythm of nature. Furniture character and aging gracefully. True cottage farmhouse furniture does not need to be new. In fact, it is better if it is not. Look for pieces that have worn edge and faded paint, slight imperfections or discoloration, handmade craftsmanship. If you can't find genuine antiques, you can create the effect using distressing techniques or chalk paint in white, cream, or pastel tones. The art of layering. Layering is how to bring depth and warmth. Textures combine linen, lace, crochet, and velvet. Patterns mix florals with stripes or gingham. Colors keep them soft but varied. Accessories: stack pillows, add throws, overlap rugs. Layering creates a feeling of comfort, like a home that has grown with time. The soul of the style: solo living. Vintage cottage farmhouse decor represents solo, meaning living. It encourages handmade crafts, afternoon baking, gardening, reading by the window, and decorating with care, not consumerism. Every room feels alive with memory and peace. The philosophy behind vintage cottage farmhouse design. This style is not just a decorative trend, it is a philosophy of gentle living. It honors craftsmanship, sustainability, and emotional connection to objects. It's about preserving history through old and repurposed items, creating comfort through texture, scent, and light. Living slowly, appreciating handmade, nature-inspired details. A vintage cottage farmhouse home feels alive with the stories, or every crack, chipped edge, and faded color is part of its soul. Storytelling through decor, each object tells a story. That is what gives this a stylish magic. When decorating, think of your home as a novel. Every page is a character. For example, a chipped enamel jug might remind you of morning milk deliveries from old farms. An antique lace curtain could whispers of a grandmother's swing table. A faded armchair might carry the comfort of generation past. The storytelling aspects separate authentic vintage style from imitation. It is deeply personal and emotional. The timeless mix principle. One of the secrets of this design style is mixing decades gracefully. A 1930s iron bed can stand beside a 1960s wicker chair and a new handmade quilt, and it all feels right. To do this well, keeps the color palette crisp, soft neutrals or muted pastels. Interior textures complement each other, smooth ceramics beside rough linen. Avoid anything overly glossy or synthetic. It breaks the illusion of time. This approach gives your home depth, like a lived-in treasure just of memories. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.